Hey everyone, welcome back. I'm Roxanne and we'll be doing a FabFitFun unboxing today. Sorry about that. So this is just a starter box. I actually ended up canceling spring box because it wasn't enough to entice me to keep me on. So my daughter actually grabbed this box and let me unpack it for you. I have gone through it. She has gone through it. And so I already know what's in it, but it is it's a newer box anyway. It's updated from the summer one, which came with the tote, hand cream, a sponge nail, and something else now. I can't remember exactly. I got that one. I really liked it. But let's try out this one here. With the FabFitFun starter box, members that are part of the community already, like, so they're getting the spring box. The annuals will get about 5 before the box comes out. Each season, spring, fall, winter. Seasonal usually gets theirs after. Sometimes they don't get them. I know I got them at all 3 seasons that I was a subscriber, and I only got 3 to give away. So all you have to do is pay for the shipping. In the US is $5, Canada it's $8. So it comes with a little book, and it says how things were curated, and I believe it says the amount each items are. Kind of gives you some hints, some makeup stuff. It shows you some of the previous box designs. So anyway, and you have to excuse me, I still have my cold. So in here it tells you the items, how much they are. So the first item I see here is the sponge gel, box flowered in beach grass. I use this. I have actually, I believe, one like this upstairs. I could actually smell that. For a while I couldn't smell anything, so it's actually really nice. It's supposed to be beach grass. It does smell kind of greenery. I do like these, so this is definitely a win for me and worth the $8. The next item I see is the black mask. They are hydrogel eye mask with hyaluronic acid. 5-pack is your under eye puffy or swollen depuff with this activated charcoal eye mask with for fresh looks. I did get this in the winter box. I still haven't used them, so I will get back to you on how they work. So now I have 2 boxes of these, and I do like them. I keep forgetting to use them when I put on my regular mask. So the next item has been a FabFitFun constant item, and that is the Avea Dead Sea Water Mineral Hand Cream. In this house, we absolutely love this product. I have a small one at work that I use after work. My mom uses this, my daughter uses it, and she has really dried out hands, and her hands are allergic to anything and everything. So this right here is $33. Some people don't like the smell, some people do. I really enjoy it. So this is definitely a win for me. The last item, I'm sorry for the nose here, is the Summer and Rose Celine Crossbody in Black. I really like this. I will be using it, as the purse I have right now is way too big, so I'm just going to have to look for a wallet because I don't think my wallet will actually fit into this. So it comes with the arm. So this is supposed to be worth $58. Let's see here. I'm not sure about that price. I find that sometimes the Summer and Rose stuff is a little overpriced, but that is just me, and that is just my opinion. I do have their summer bag that I do like, and it's a beach theme, and it has a liner in it, and it kind of makes it waterproof, so you can use it for your towel and stuff. I'm not going to get this right now. My back is still hurting me, so that's not going to happen. It's got a little strap here, so it goes in like that. I would imagine that it sits nice. I don't know if you can see what's in there or not. There's a little area for your cards and stuff, so I'll probably look for like a minimalist wallet, and I'll start using that because unfortunately if I have a big purse, everything gets tossed into it. So let's see here. For $8 I got all of this, and I have to say I'm pretty happy. I wish I could get more starter boxes just to have some of the items in it, but you are limited to one. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and keep a lookout. I have more to upload in the next few weeks. Also, please head back and comment on the giveaway. I have a 500 subscriber giveaway, which I should be hopefully revealing more items, or trying to add more items soon, as well as my 1,000 subscriber giveaway, which has some full-size items. And stay tuned, I have my Ipsy bag, which was supposedly lost, so I will be uploading that as well. Thanks for watching.